What's going on, YouTube? Metal Complex here, and today I've got another short little unboxing to do with you guys. I have no idea what's in this one. I, as usual, tried to guess, and I can't figure out exactly who or where it came from, so we're just going to go ahead and get right into it. As usual, if you want your own Rainbow Lady of the Sea to do all of your unboxings like I do on this channel, you can use my Amazon affiliate link in the description and get one for yourself. They come in blue. They come in rainbow and blue. You can check it out if you want to. Anyways, let's see what we've got in this box. What do we have? Blink Blades. Interesting. Okay. I am very curious. I was not aware of anything coming from Blink Blades. What do we have here? Look at this. Look at all those stickers. What do we got here? Hang on. Let's read this. Let me read this before we do this. Make sure I understand. Okay, specs and some information on the company. Awesome. Okay, thank you. What do we have here? Interesting. Look at this little guy. How do you get it? Oh, cool. Cool. That's a new blade shape. Looks like a, it's a very, very stubby Tanto. Literally looks like, kind of looks like a Japanese kind of ninja sword. That's really, really interesting. Very, very simple design. Titanium frame lock. I read in the paperwork the materials are 6AL4V titanium and M390 that's been stonewashed in DLC. I believe this has most likely been to a couple other reviewers here. Maybe somebody's used it just a little bit. I like these unique and different blade shapes. Very interesting. Take a look at these stickers here. Awesome. Obviously meant to keep one for myself and then allow some of the other reviewers to take a look. But we do have a steel lock bar insert. Looks to be pretty centered, though I'm not going to judge it because some other reviewers have already had it. We've got a purple titanium pocket clip there. Really, really cool. They've got the flipper tab set up in a way that's unobtrusive. So this is all the more room it's really going to take up in your pocket. And then instead, it's more of a dedicated light switch style flipper. Very, very cool. Very interesting. Very unique. Very sort of minimalist. Blink Blades. Now, what's the actual name of this? Let's see. Hi, guys. Wasn't sure if you wanted a little information, but I figured I'd give you a quick spec sheet and a little background on the company. We might look over this a little bit more when I actually do the review. I don't know exactly what the name... that's made by We Knife Co. I don't know the actual name of this knife. I'll figure it out for you guys. It is running on ceramic bearings, and it looks like it's made by We Knives. So that would explain the apparent quality build, definitely. I mean, this absolutely does have a quality build. Very, very cool. Awesome. I can't wait to take a look at that with you guys. That's going to be pretty much it for today's unboxing. If you guys enjoyed this video, please leave a like. If you'd like to check out my other content, I do, of course, have lots of videos of knives that are either expensive or inexpensive that I do or don't like. So check those out. And if you enjoy all my content, go ahead and click on that Metal Complex logo right here and subscribe to my channel because there's definitely more coming. Thanks again for watching, everybody, and have a great day.